Good day, ma'am. My name is Clinton Disinilla Arrebado, BS Cream 3. My topic is thesis and written philosophies. The unwritten philosophy of the thesis consists of slogan or aphorism that are verbally given to the residents to impart the belief and values of thesis in relation to their day-to-day living. These sayings are used to remind the residents as to what are considered important to them. The TC philosophy. The TC philosophy is recited daily during the morning meeting. It embodies all the challenges and aspirations of most residents who feel alienated and the desire to overcome the supposed limitation on their freedom and find their own place where they could feel safe and welcome. It acknowledges an importance of fellowship in shaping one's behavior and motivating one's fortitude of helping himself and others. It likewise serves as his anchor in times of emotional turmoil which he can always go back to and reflect. It forms emotional binding among the participants knowing that they are grounded on the same philosophy. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.